Hi everyone, in this video I'll be talking about swarm optimization. So swarm optimization is an optimization technique inspired by collective behavior of birds, fishes, ants, etc. So in PSO, for example, imagine a group of birds searching for food. So each bird represents a possible solution. Each bird knows the best location it has personally found, which is also called as personal best. The entire group knows the best location found by any bird. So this is known as global best. Birds will adjust their movement based on these two pieces of information, that is personal best and global best. Eventually, the entire group moves towards the best solution. And this process is repeated until a good or optimal solution is found out. So let's see a numerical. So you'll be given a function which you'll have to maximize and the two particles, so and number of particles. So particle p1 and p2 are given, their positions, initial positions x1 and x2 are given, and their velocities v1 and v2 are given, and will be given with certain parameters like w is also like the inertia weight, so that is 0.5, c1 that is the coefficient, and c2 is the social coefficient, and r1 and r2 are the random numbers. So let's see the step 1 in the process. So step 1 is to calculate the fitness. Now for calculating the fitness, you will use the function f of x equal to x square. So f of 2, so you will substitute f of 2, so that is the initial positions. F of 2 equal to 4 because you multiplied, like you took the square, so 2 square is 4, and f of 5, that is 5 square is 25. So you will compare these two fitnesses. So personal best of 1, that is personal best of p1, is the initial position. So initial position of p1 is 2, initial position of p2 is 5. So personal best is 1, personal best 1 is 2, personal best 2 is 5, and the global best we'll see. So global best is 5. Why? Because f of 5 equal to 25, and we have to maximize the function, right? So therefore the global best will be 5, since 25 is greater than 4. Now next step in the process is to update the velocity. For updating the velocity, you'll have to remember this formula: v nu equal to wv plus c1 r1 pBest minus x plus c2 r2 gBest minus x. So we'll simply substitute the values for p1. v1 equal to w given in the question was 0.5, v initial velocity of 1, that is v1 was given 0.5, c1 is given 1, r1 is 0.5, pBest we calculated like that was the initial position of x, right? So that was 2, and no that was the personal best one, which was 2, and initial position of x was 2. So plus c2 is 2, r2 is 0.5, global best we calculated was 5, and minus initial position of x was 2, p1, so that is 3.25. Similarly, we'll calculate it for p2, and we'll see v2 comes out to be minus 0.25. Now once we have done that, we'll update the positions based on the new velocities. So formula is x nu, that the new coordinate of x will be x plus v nu, that is the initial position plus the updated velocity. So x for p1, x1 equal to initial coordinate of x was p1 was 2 plus v nu we calculated was 3.25, so therefore it's 5.25, and p2, that is x2 equal to initial coordinate of p2 was 5 minus like the updated velocity of p2 was 0.25, right, minus, so therefore it's like 4.75. Now we'll calculate the new fitnesses. So f of 5.25, we'll take the square, 5.25 square is 27.5625, and f of 4.75 square is 22.5625. Now we have to take the personal best, like we have to calculate the personal best. So pBest we calculated initially for p1 was initially pBest one was 2, now pBest is like 5.25, right? So we'll take the maximum of 2. So personal best of 1 is 5.25, and p2's initial best was 5, and p2's now best is 4.75, right? Updated p2. So therefore p2's new fitness is worse than its previous fitness, so we'll take the original one, that is pBest 2 is 5. Now the new global best is, which is like 5.25 and 5, which is greater, since we have to maximize the function, so we'll take the greater value, so 5.25. so we'll say global best is 5.25, and we'll create a table like this where we like collate the final result. So after iteration 1, for particle p1 p2, new positions as 5.25, and 4.75, and their new fitnesses is to 27.5 and 22.5. so the personal best is 5.25 and 5, and the global best we calculated was 5.25. so this is after iteration 1. This will continue to happen once the results converge, and hence you will reach out to reach the optimal solution. So that was all about SWAM optimization. Thank you.